So we have an update here on the storms, and there's one for Houston and Fillmore for La Crosse, Wisconsin gender. Houston, southeastern Minnesota, east central Fillmore, southeastern Minnesota, west central Houston, east central Fillmore. It's radar indicated rotation, and it's serious thunderstorms. You have both Bruce and both turns, and extensive straight line wind damage, like tons of trees knocked down, maybe power outages. And it's located over Landsboro or near Preston when you set 45 miles an hour. General radar indicate rotation. And it's mainly over rural areas of west central Houston, east central Fillmore counties. A tornadic thunderstorm from 51 to 1050. And it's for County Roads 15 to 4, Brattsburg, Choice, Yucatan, and Highland. So it's a bunch of county roads. So it's a bunch of like country areas. If you live out in the country, like rural areas, like country, they call it. If you live outside like city limits, if you live on like maybe 5 acres of land, like you live out there, you live outside city limits, essentially. You live on county roads or highways. And you live out there. And it says, take cover now. Move to a basement or 2 windows for the street windows. If you're outdoors in a mobile home or in a vehicle, move to close to substantial shelter, protect yourself from flying debris. This cluster of thunderstorms keep producers in widespread state of damage. Not wait to see or hear a term. For protection, wind turn lows for the above. See? And do not wait to hear or see a tornado. That is, definitely do not wait to hear or see. Especially with this one that has a widespread straight line wind damage that extends to tons of possibilities for that. And if you're east of west central Houston County, if you're in the rest of Houston County and Fillmore counties, as well as east of the county east of Houston and Fillmore County, stay sky aware. Do not just let your guard down. If you're not in the warning, if you're not in the Houston parts of Houston or Fillmore, that they're not in this storm, or do not let your guard down if you're in the county over, any part of Houston or Fillmore touches your county. Stay sky aware. Stay sky aware. Do not let your guard down. Especially with the storm like this. And then there's tornado warning for Fillmore County expired. So there's 10 and 10:45 for Houston and Fillmore, Eastern Fillmore counties. It was 70 mile an hour wind gusts for the storm. Could have go up to, but they said 60 mile an hour gusts have been confirmed reports of 60 mile an hour gusts. Severe thunderstorm remains affected at 10:45 p.m. Central Time for Houston, Eastern Fillmore. It's probably a spotter that reported the spotter technology. At 9:54 p.m. Central Time. Severe thunderstorms are located on the except for near lanes running night. When east at 50 miles an hour, 60 miles an hour, the source is extreme weather spotters. Expect damage roofs, saying trees. And it's going to be at Rushmore and maybe about 10, around 10 p.m. Central Time. Starting around 5 p.m. Central Time. Caledonia around Houston around 10 p.m. Central Time. Caledonia around 10:15 p.m. Central Time. La Crosse got Browns around 10:25 p.m. Central Time. And La Crosse around 10:03 p.m. Central Time. And they include other locations are Choice, Raceford, 25 Payne Road, Peterson, Ross, Edison, and Beaver Creek Valley State Park. Those are other locations affected by those severe. And it's expect damage road saying trees. Remember that for possible change. Try to scoot out quickly from serious thunderstorms. Use spot to go on in the basement response to the tree structure. And if you're in the La Crosse area, in Wisconsin, definitely stay sky aware. This storm is definitely coming towards you around 10:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. So stay sky aware. Definitely stay sky aware. And then the tornado warning. Tornado watch is going to be tornado watch. I said tornado warning. Tornado watch is going to expire for Blue Earth, Faribault, Freeport, Martin, Steele, Waseca, Watton, and Goodhue in Minnesota. And then also Dodge, Moore, Homestead, Wabasha, Minnesota, Buffalo, Jackson, Trumbull, and then in Wisconsin, central Wisconsin. So there is a tornado warning, radar indicate tornado warning, and it's in effect for 9:59 to 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. And it was West Central Houston, East Central Fillmore. And there's another update for this storm. It's severe squall line came up producing both turns and extensive stream windows. Okay, 9 miles north of Mill, 14 miles west of Caledonia, east of 45 miles. And it's turning radar indicated rotation. This is flying debris will be dangerous to skylight children. Mostly damage restricted. More damage roofs, windows, and vehicles are tree damage likely. And the glacier pack include general odds 15 for your choice. And if you're in any part of Houston County or any part of Fillmore County, even if you're in the tornado warning specifically, stay sky aware. Do not let your guard down. Watch the TV. If you're in that area, Houston, Fillmore, watch the TVs. Watch the weather. Listen to your weather radio. Watch your TV. Check radar on your phone. Keep checking. Stay sky aware. And I would say the best way is either listen to weather radio or watch on TV, because your local TV stations with meteorologists, and they have the news going on, like local news going on, 10 p.m. Central Time, local news. They'll definitely all of every channel has it. Unless Fox, because Fox affiliates, some Fox affiliates, depending on that, they might have news at not 10. But even then, they would have news on. They would check in for like severe weather, have severe weather coverage most likely on your screen, or you can go and check your transmit, or listen to the news on another channel like ABC, Fox, NBC affiliate. They'll at least have a half-hour news segment every night. From 10 to 10:30, 10 to 10:30 for the late night shows. So they'll definitely have that on. So stay sky aware. Definitely stay sky aware. Do not let your guard down. And if you're in parts of Houston, Fillmore, the storm may weaken of possibly getting a tornado, or a squall line. But if it does weaken, still stay sky aware, because you have a severe thunderstorm coming your area, and another storm with it, and like a center squall line in that storm that can still produce like extensive straight line wind damage, it can damage stuff. So definitely stay sky aware.